Greetings, dear parents. This is a quick guide to the Woodford School Lusaka G Suite for Education. We will show you how your child will get to the G Suite for Education applications, particularly the Google Classroom, which is the tool they will use together with the student portal to access live lessons, assignments, and material. Getting started with G Suite for Education. To log into G Suite as the first-time user, your child will need to visit www.google.com and click on Sign In. In order to use any of the G Suite applications such as Classroom, Meet, and Docs, they will have to log in their G Suite profile using the school email address firstname.lastname@woodford.school and a password provided to them by the school through an email sent to their current email address. If they do not have access to that email, they can contact the IT help desk to request for login details. How your child will access any of the G Suite for Education applications will differ depending on the device used. On handsets and other mobile devices, they will have to first find and download all the Google apps from either the Google Play Store for Android devices or the App Store for Apple, iPhone, and iPad. These include Google Classroom, Meet, Google Slides, Google Forms, Google Sheets, Google Drive, and Google Docs. To install an application, click on it. On a computer, PC or Mac, or Chrome OS devices, Chromebooks, Chrome tablets, they do not have to install anything. Open a web browser such as Google Chrome, type www.google.com in your web address bar and click on Sign In. Please note, if your child has used a personal Google account before on their device, it may already be signed into that account. They have to sign out of their personal Google account and sign into the school account, firstname.lastname@woodford.school. To sign out and in, follow the steps as illustrated in the pictures below. Click on the initial at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Click Add another account. Continue the login process by doing the following. Type in firstname.lastname@woodford.school, email address that was sent to you via your current email. Click Next and then enter in the default password emailed to your child by the school and then change to their own. Now you will see that your child is signed into their Woodford School Lusaka G Suite for Education account. How to navigate to Google Classroom. On a mobile device, simply click on the Google Classroom app. On a PC or Chromebook, simply type classroom.google.com in the web browser or click on the 9 squares icon, also called the waffle, in the top right-hand corner to launch the G Suite for Education tools. With the cursor on the waffle, scroll and click on a specific tool to use. To join a classroom and accept class invitations, click on the Google Classroom icon. Join in your Google Classrooms. If your child has already been invited to a class by their teacher or have already joined a class, they will see it. Simply click on the Join button to enter the class. When they join a class, they will see the following tabs along the top row. A. Stream. This is where announcements can be made by the teacher. Upcoming, alerts them on work that is scheduled. Classwork. This is where they will find schoolwork, notes, assignments, and tests. People shows class members and teachers. Dear parents, those are the few simple steps to follow as we will help our little ones to access the G Suite for Education for Woodford School, Lusaka.